Hello. Out of the backyard this morning. Beautiful morning, I should say. And I see like a bunch of cute little bees. Apparently this is the place to be. And yeah, I see this big bumblebee or carpenter bee. I don't know what these are called. I probably should have looked it up before I made this video, but yeah, this thing's awesome looking. It's huge. You hear all the dogs in the background having fun at least. But there's tons of bees out right now. I'm happy because all my pumpkin vines are going nuts making pumpkins. I'm hoping they're going to be ready by Halloween. Almost forgot the word. This guy's pretty awesome looking. I don't know if I've ever been this close to one of these guys. It looks like he's actually trying to eat the pollen, maybe. Just cleaning himself, I'm not really sure. You can see his tongue sticking out. I don't know what he's doing. I'm not sure if they're like bees and they have a special pocket to stick the pollen, or if there's nectar in these flowers probably that they're eating. I'm not really sure. There's tons of bees. I don't know if you can see them on the video, but I can hear them all around me. Yeah, those two are like, almost look like they're fighting over the flower. Anyway, I'll stop talking now and let you be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.